This is my cat wanting to go outside so bad. Look at him, he's not even on all fours. It's dark time, kitty. You don't want to go out right now. Kitty. Not today, okay? No. No. Kitty. No, kitty. Come on. I'm gonna shut the door. Come on.
We're doing hardcore cleaning tonight.